We can do 1v1. If you beat me, you win my stuff. Yo! What's up with my young bull gang? Y'all already know it's your boy Young Bull JB. Hey, I'm back in this thing, man. And look, today I just woke up, man. My girl just came in and she woke me up to go to a whole bunch of places and get something to eat. But we got a mukbang going on today. Well, I got a little cool day today. We gonna do a mukbang, I guess, and then we gonna go into Walmart. Well, we at Walmart right now. She got the last face mask that I got, so she finna go in there and give me a face mask, but she brought herself one. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and go to the gym with my boy Kivian that I go to work with. I work with, of course, y'all know I'm working. I'm with my boy Kivian. I'm gonna go to the gym with him later on today. Snap Fitness. And yeah. So I'm gonna let y'all know what I got planned for. In the meantime, y'all just stay tuned with your boy. But I guess she finna go get me a mask. She give me a mask right now. So when she give me a mask, I see y'all in Walmart. Alright, peace. Alright, I finally got my mask. She finally came back with my mask. We sitting up in the parking lot. Yeah. Anyway, we finna go from Walmart to see what we can get. What we finna do? What we finna go to Walmart for?
Just looking.
You said what?
Just looking.
We finna go to Walmart just to be looking at stuff. I guess. I don't know what we're looking at. You say you want a buggy? Why you have a buggy right there?
And you don't have to put a whole lot in it. That's why I like dinner. They know what they're doing with them right there.
Alright, so I guess we're gonna go to Walmart and just be looking at stuff, I guess.
Ooh, can we do SE on part of the vlog too?
Huh?
Can SE be a part of the vlog?
Yeah, everything gonna be in there.
Yeah.
I'm posting the whole day.
Yeah. Oh, baby, that's all right.
Huh?
Long small. Let me call Bunny. 447.
Yeah. Oh boy. I already knew as soon as she seen me something. Anyway, I'm still kind of sleepy. Y'all, cause I had got off work. When I got off work, I ain't really did nothing but go to sleep, bro. I had ate me some little chicken tenders, and then after I ate my little chicken tenders, I had watched TV or watch YouTube. And I got done watching YouTube, and I had started dozing off. Then I was trying to play on the game, but she woke me up out of nowhere and tried to tell me to come on, get us so we can go this and that. I ain't feel like
see
going
the
home.
Valentine's Day owl.
You say you see the Valentine's Day owl.
I want to go with the teddy bears then.
You say we're going to oh, I know where the teddy bear is at.
Oh, okay.
No, I didn't. I seen the real big ones that you know everybody be posting on. I seen the real big ones. They over there like $89. $89. It's in that big thing. Well, it was in that big thing. I don't know where it's at now.
People in Papa already bought it.
Yeah, but
Okay,
it was only 2.
We go to games. Can we have a game night tonight?
Not tonight. We can have it another night.
Let me find the game.
Yeah, all the time. I really did just came up in here. I should have been did this, but I should have been did this. I had the money to get it, but I should have been did it. If I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna go ahead and do it. I should have. I went on and just. Well, she paid it for me. But
Yes, that's what good girlfriends do.
you said what?
That's what good girlfriends do.
Well, yeah. But I had. Well, she went on and got me a little tripod thing, a little tripod kit. So I can, you know, hold my phone up like this.
Okay, stop right there. Stop right there.
Sorry, well,
Right
wait.
here. Recently, the thing that's been saying on TikTok, where you go down the alley, wave your hand up like this, and when I say stop, whatever your hands land on, that's one item we have for movie nights.
What?
You never seen it?
No, I haven't.
It's a trend on TikTok. It's like a couple movie night trend thing. You go down each alley, you wave your hand up, and when the other person says stop, there's one of the items that you're gonna have for a movie night. And you gotta get like 4 things: a drink, candy, chip, cookie, and a certain type of popcorn or whatever. Okay, so I'm gonna go first.
So what you go down there?
Video.
What you talking about?
Because you gotta have it turned the other way to record me going down the alley with my hand and see which item I'll pick. Unless you're gonna turn your phone on the horizontal way. Which way you?
Stop.
Oh, eat cheeses.
You said
I
what?
don't eat cheeses, so we gotta go again. I don't eat cheeses.
Come
I
on,
can't
bro,
do the
what?
cheese. I can't do the cheese.
Oh my goodness. Stop.
It is the hard one.
Yes, sir.
Ooh.
Uh-huh.
Ew.
Yep.
Okay, so we gotta go down.
Yes, sir.
We gotta go down the next aisle.
Hey, I don't know what kind of game she got going on, but I guess this is the trend on TikTok or whatever. I ain't seen it. I mean, I'll be on TikTok too. Y'all follow me on TikTok. Famous nerd, but whatever she talking about, I don't know what she talking about, what the trend is, but I guess I'm gonna do it and do it, Jen, I guess. I don't know what she talking about, but I'm gonna go
Okay,
ahead
now
and
you
do
gotta
it.
turn the camera the other way so I can
You said what?
pick which chips. Stop. What did you get on? I don't eat bugles.
I got either one. I got this. I got sweet and salty kettle corn, and then I got the classic meat.
I don't eat bugles.
So what? We won again or what? Cause you won again.
Yeah, go again, but this time we're gonna go down the aisle this way. So go ahead and hit that reverse. Swoop. Now go. Stop. What you land on? Ugh. Once again, something I don't like.
You gotta break the tie.
Huh?
You gotta break the tie. There's nothing in these little.
I don't eat none of that.
I know we gotta break the tie because we don't like it. So third time the charm. So come on.
Okay. Do I go?
Huh? No.
Let me show y'all how to properly pick a snack because apparently he can't do it. Keep on
Nah,
picking stuff
bro,
that both
you
of
picking
us.
on the. You saying stop at the wrong time. Stop. What'd you get?
know it's done. These
Bruh,
I can mess with.
what are you talking about? Bruh, she was literally saying stop at the wrong time.
I
Like,
was not.
bro, when I was going, she was literally doing it at the wrong time, bro. So she can't. Nah, no, that is not. No, I don't care. I do not care.
Now let me go again with the drink.
Stop. What'd you get? Yes, sir. You said 2 liters. All right.
It was the bottles, but I'm just gonna go ahead and get a 2 liter. Okay. Next.
She literally cheated me.
I did not.
She cheated me because she said stop every time at the wrong time, and I couldn't get nothing. So she basically just picked out our whole thing. So
Did we do that hour right there? We didn't do that this hour.
we're not going to every hour now.
No, it's 14.
Hold on, bro. She tripping. We're not finna go through every aisle and pick something to eat for the damn movie date. She tripping. We ain't finna go down every aisle, bro. But I don't know what she got going on. What you calling me for? I was going around.
And I was coming around.
No, you was going down that aisle. Big boy.
Wait, what's up, bro?
Ugly hell.
Man, you be posting some bullshit.
Ugly hell. I'm the best hooper out of everybody in Grenada, Mississippi.
No,
You said what?
no, fool.
Yes, fool.
No, fool.
Yes.
He's so cow.
But I know I'm better than him though.
Bro, he can't even go on a parked car.
Cap.
No,
I'm
cap.
better than you though.
No, hell no.
I'm better than you though.
No.
Bro, I'm trying to get the YouTube video cracking, bro. I'm gonna get in it too.
Bro, I got you, bro. Let me see you shut out.
Man, bro, I'm gonna beat your ass in there 1v. We can do 1v1. If you beat me, you win my stuff. Huh?
What y'all doing, bro?
Nah, we ain't gonna do it tomorrow. I mean, but it's gonna be soon though.
You stay?
Nah, I ain't scared. I mean, I gotta go to work tomorrow and
What time
stuff.
you out tomorrow?
7 to 4.
Oh, no.
Yeah, I told you, yeah. Okay, look. We're gonna do a 1v1, right? Me and this sorry nigga right here. Look. If I win, he get my red hoodie and he get my little KD jersey.
Oh, my God.
But if I win, I get them hyper dunks he always be wearing since high school.
I ain't got them no more, bro.
Well, what's those then? Hyper dunk?
These COVID, bro. Don't disrespect.
No, they not no Kobe.
Don't
Okay.
disrespect. Don't disrespect the goat.
Okay.
Don't disrespect the goat like that, bro.
But you still got them hyper dunks though.
No, I don't.
Yeah, you do.
Oh, God, I don't.
Man,
My mama, I don't got them jealous no more.
he been wearing the red and blue hyper dunks ever since 2002.
You so cow.
Ever since 2002, he been wearing hyper dunks.
You so cow.
It's alright though. It's like, look,
You so cow.
but for real, I need you.
Okay, y'all. So,
What? No. What? No.
okay, y'all. I'm taking over at this point. So we got Ruffles, Dr. Pepper, and Lifesavers. Take a peek. And of course, we got my bird food vitamins. Okay, but now we're on our way up to checkout. And yeah. You want some ice cream?
No, don't have me to it now. No, don't have me the camera now. Don't have me the camera now. I did want some ice cream, but they probably high up here. They probably high up here. So I probably ain't gonna get it.
So when you came over here. Look at some bagels.
So oh wow, why the light look like this? Anyway.
Oh, why did the thing just light up?
So we finally just got out of Walmart, and yeah, y'all seen what happened with that. Anyway,
I enjoyed the little finding the snack thing. It was fun. Yes, it was.
anyway, okay, so what we finna do now? Oh, we finna go get something to eat, and
On the way to the house, stop at a dollar store.
for what?
The face mask.
Oh,
I'm doing him a facial. I'm doing him a male facial.
Anyway,
Something y'all girlfriends don't give y'all facials. There are such thing as male facials, and it leaves a man face more smoother than it does a female face.
anyway, if my quality look kind of crappy right now, it's because for one, it's kind of tinted.
A little dark. Okay, there you go.
Yeah.
I'm helping you out.
Cause it's kind of tinted in the car.
Don't get cold.
It's kind of tinted in the car, and then for two, it's just about being dark time. So, yeah, if my quality kind of look kind of messed up right now.
Don't you bring your motherfucking ass out here?
Why?
Why?
But anyway,
No.
if my quality look kind of messed up, then yeah, that's the reason why. But right now, what we finna do, we finna go and get something to eat, and we gonna do this mukbang, Chinese food mukbang.
It's gonna be good.
Yeah, I mean we already had the food and stuff, but
We just gotta go.
yeah, I'm saying like we already know what it tastes like, but I'm saying we just gonna make a video, you know. But yeah, we finna go get the food, and we gonna do the mukbang and stuff, and it's gonna be 2 separate videos. Like I'm vlogging right now, so I ain't gonna put the mukbang within the vlog. I ain't gonna do that. I was gonna do that first, but I ain't gonna do it. I'm just have it as 2 separate videos. But yeah, we finna go ahead and get something to eat, and then hopefully Kivion hit me up by the time we get done with our mukbang, talking about you wanna go to Snap Fitness. Hopefully he hit me up within the next like hour or 2 while my food digested or something, or after we do the mukbang or whatever. But
I wanna go.
I
wanna
it's just me and Kivion.
go. I can ask Michelle if she wanna
Well, you do your thing, and me and Kivion gonna do our thing. But I don't know if Kivion ain't gonna hold up to what he talking about though, cause he talking about he gonna go, but I don't know what's up with him. But anyway, I got a little heartburn. I think it was chicken tenders I ate early. But anyway, we finna go ahead and get this food so we can do that mukbang, and then I'ma let y'all know when we back at the Chinese spot. So we finna go there right now. But after we get done with the Chinese spot, then we're gonna head to the dollar store, and then we're gonna go to the house so we can do that mukbang. But I'll see y'all in a little bit. You went in there without the money?
go. No, I took my card. She said cash only.
What she say?
She said cash only.
No. How she say it?
She said, we cash only. I'm like, bitch. Motherfucking card.
Yeah, we got the play now. Great Wall. I know y'all see. Let me zoom in for y'all. Great Wall, Chinese restaurant. Feel me? All right, y'all. We back at the house, and we got the food right here. We finna go ahead and do this mukbang right quick. And by the look of it, look like Kivion ain't gonna hit me up about going to the gym. Cause he the one that got the membership. I don't got the membership. I'm gonna get my membership soon though. But he don't got the membership. But It look like he ain't gonna hit me up, so we're gonna go ahead and do the mukbang. Me and my girl gonna do the mukbang. And when we get down to the mukbang and shit, we just gonna chill. By the look of it, since I ain't going to live for him, I might just put the mukbang in the vlog. Might put the mukbang in the vlog and just collaborate into one big video. But if you do hit me up, then y'all know, cause I have 2 separate videos. But yeah. So we finna go and do the mukbang. So we finna be right back.
We're gonna attempt
Oh yeah,
to use
we got some
chopsticks.
We got some chopsticks, I guess. So we finna see how. I ain't used chopsticks in so long, bro. I ain't used these bitches in so long. I don't even know what.
That's the top part. This is the part you grab the food with right here.
What's the top part? This the part you grab the food with?
No.
I had it right there at first, bro. You talking about this top part that you grab the food with?
I was look different. Oh no, it don't.
It's the same. The same thing.
Shut up. Okay, y'all. I'm a big fan of duck sauce. I love duck sauce. I cannot eat Chinese food without duck sauce. And 9 times out of 10, I'm gonna use every single last one of these packs. Cause can't do it with the yelling. Let me tell y'all what I got. I got pork steak with the chow mein, however you say it, chicken noodles with shrimp fried rice. What you got, babe?
Oh, I just got some orange chicken with some shrimp fried rice. You didn't get no shrimp fried rice. Oh, you got shrimp fried rice?
No, small side, on the side.
Oh, well, I got orange chicken with shrimp fried rice. I do not know how to do this. Bro, I don't give a fuck what these motherfucking chopsticks. I am hungry as fuck. I'm about to get a motherfucker.
Well, I'm gonna attempt to try the chopsticks. Even though he not, I'm gonna attempt. Don't forget to bless your food.
You right. Come on.
Amen.
Amen.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm. Look like it's all packaged.
It's stuffed. Yeah, I see how many packs of that sauce I used already. Then 3, 4. It was 3. This make 5 on my pepper steak.
Bro, how you? Like this?
Remember how we used the sticks we had the other day?
Like this?
All about the wrist. Oh my goodness. The video gonna be 15 minutes in by the time I start eating.
Bro, how do you use these?
Y'all teach him how to use chopsticks.
How do you use these?
You get mad.
Yes.
Y'all, he getting frustrated because he don't know how to use
Bro, it's
chopsticks.
making me mad, bro. What hand do you put? What finger mechanism do you use?
Mechanism.
Bruh.
Alright, once I stir my stuff in.
Why it's like you know what you're doing?
Okay, you ready? You see this? See I picked it up?
How'd you pick it up?
Watch this. You watch him.
Oh, nigga.
Yeah, I think he did shit because he picked up one piece of chicken. When you were younger, what were your aspirations in life? Like, what did you want to... When you were younger, what was your main focus that you, like, had your mind just set on, but changed?
Watching cartoons.
No. You don't understand what I'm saying.
So when I was young, like,
You know, like when everyone's a kid and someone asks them, hey, what do you want to be when you grow up? And, you know, like you said something when you were younger.
in the league.
Did that change when you got older or did it stay the same?
Everything.
Okay.
Until I got like 19, 20. I mean, that's still my dream now. But knowing my situation, I know that's not gonna happen. So YouTube and Twitch is my aspiration now. YouTube, Twitch, excuse me, my clothing brand. What about you?
Well, when I was a kid, what I wanted to be constantly changed. Like,
You know, I know.
It was, I want to be a doctor, I want to be a lawyer, I want to be a singer. And then once I got older, I stuck with wanting to be a nurse or a doctor. And now I still want that, but I want my own business along with that. And someone, I'm not gonna say no names, but someone has got me interested and want to do YouTube. You know who that person is?
Mm-hmm.
Hmm?
Mm-hmm.
You don't? Babe, watch this.
Okay. Next question.
You asking this one.
No, you said you had several things to talk about.
We taking turns. Bryce.
I mean, you can tell them about our first date.
Our first date? Okay. Would us going at the gym, going to the gym together be considered? That was the first time we hung out together as a couple.
Yeah.
Our first time hanging out together as a couple, me and an acquaintance. We're going to the gym. And
Acquaintance?
yeah,
Who?
there was someone driving us.
Yeah. The acquaintance.
Yeah.
But Michelle's with us too, though.
No, she wasn't.
What you are?
Well, an acquaintance and my big sister, which is a really good friend, and I call her my big sister because she made herself family within my heart. Her name is Michelle. Y'all gonna see her one day because we've been trying to get some video ideas with her. But y'all gonna meet my friend one day. But we went to the gym with them, and I asked him, did he want to go? It was kind of last minute when I asked, and he said yeah. And we were sitting on the back seat, and we were just looking at each other, staring into each other's eyes, like, oh. And my friends, they kept looking at us like, oh. But anyway, we went to the gym. He was, I went on my side where I do my leg workouts and my arm workouts and stuff. I was over there for about 30 minutes, and then I wanted to see what he was up to. He was on the weighing section side, and I went over there, sat over there with him for a little bit, watched him do the, lift the weights or whatever. And then we were just standing there talking, and It was an amazing night for me. I don't know if he thought it was amazing, but it was the first time we ever hung out together as a couple.
First time we kissed too, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was.
Look, I ain't gonna cap to y'all. I don't know. Y'all might look at me and be like, I'm not saying it like this, but y'all probably look at me and be like, oh, he had a girlfriend before, and he had his first kiss before. He had this and that, this and that, this and that. She was like real deal my first kiss. And I'm 21. I had my few shared girlfriends here and there, but they didn't really last long. That was like a couple weeks and stuff like that. And we ain't really like kiss and stuff. Like we hug, hold hands, stuff like that. Hug and shit, but we ain't really just kiss. And then I was nervous too. I was like shy and nervous and stuff back then too. But I ain't like that no more. But I'm not. But
yeah, I took him out of his nervous shell.
But yeah, I mean,
it was a shy nervous shell.
I just really didn't have nobody I kiss lately. I mean, I had my few shared girlfriends, but we never just kissed. So when I actually found a real deal relationship, shit, it was my first kiss. Sad, but it's true. I ain't gonna say sad, but I mean, it's just true.
Okay, now it's your turn to ask a question.
All right.
I guess it is.
All right.
Mm-hmm.
No, it ain't.
Mm-hmm.
Because you asked about my aspirations, and then you said you go. Then I said tell them about the story about how we
That wasn't a question. That was a mini story.
Oh, so wait. I still did my time, so it's your go now.
Okay.
Right. What's wrong with her?
These bell peppers gotta go.
What?
Those bell peppers gotta go.
Excuse me.
I can elaborate on our first trip. The first time we went on a road trip together. Going out of town. When we went to Georgia.
Georgia.
Mm-hmm. When we went to Georgia.
That was your auntie's birthday.
My aunt did a birthday party. And we went up there with her. And it was a formal occasion, so everyone had to dress casual. Like I was saying, it was around Christmas time. And out on the patio, or the balcony, whatever they like to call it, they had this huge, it was like a gigantic Christmas tree. It was beautiful. We took some beautiful pictures out there, and we even did some videos. Yeah. I had a ball. I had a blast.
Man.
Mm-hmm.
What is this?
He's scared.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
She's scared the fuck out of me.
See?
God.
I got carrots in mine.
She's scared the fuck out of me, man. What is this?
What's what? Excuse me. A noodle.
Babe, they fucking scared me.
But, like I was saying, I had a ball, and I would love to go back to Georgia again. But it's probably gonna be. See, y'all, my birthday is coming up in May. I wanted to take a trip to Georgia for my birthday, but I decided to do Biloxi instead. Because if any of you have ever been, Biloxi is a very beautiful place to visit. It's on the Gulf. And it's just amazing. I'm almost done.
That's all you had to say was about the Christmas tree.
You were very handsome that day.
And I always.
Do you want to elaborate on that day?
I can't really say nothing, really. I ain't know nobody like that at the time.
Very.
See, my fortune cookie say.
I'm gonna use my chopsticks later.
I ain't using shit no more.
Okay, I need to put my duck sauces. My duck sauce packets are so good.
My fortune cookie says, good character is more to be praised than outstanding talent.
You have good character.
Which means having a better personality is better than having outstanding talent. Just say, for instance, just put this as an example, LeBron. If LeBron got outstanding talent, but he's not a good person, then it's not gonna be praised better. But just say, for instance, if I got good character and I'm decent in basketball, then I'll be praised better because I got good character. I'm better as a person. Yep. Just like saying that's basically saying, oh, he real good in basketball, but he's not good. He's not a good person. Like that. As far as saying, oh, he's a good person and he's good at basketball, yeah.
I wonder what mine says. I don't know about him, but I like to eat my fortune cookies.
I used to eat my fortune cookies, but I don't like to eat them no more. Which one is it? Bruh, come on with the 14.
You want me to talk while I'm talking?
You over trying to play with the damn food?
Shut up. Y'all, my fortune says, friendship is an ocean that you cannot see the bottom. That's facts.
Okay.
Let me see my lucky numbers.
Now, what we're gonna do is
split the cookie together.
We're gonna open up the cookie together.
This is gonna be our fortune together.
1, 2, 3. Half of being smart is knowing what you are dumb about. Alright, y'all. Alright, y'all. That's it for the video. You got something to say?
Huh?
You got something to say?
No, I don't.
Okay. Alright, so that's it for the video, man. I had a good time making this mukbang. You know, we talked about some stuff. We talked about a little stuff, and I just hope y'all enjoy it. But look though, I had got a text from my boy Kevian. Um, he was going to the gym, but I had to make this video with me and her, so I went. I couldn't be able to make it to the gym. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and put this mukbang. I'm gonna go ahead and put it up in the video with the vlog. So I'm gonna combine the vlog, and I'm gonna combine the mukbang, put it into a big video. So or I might just do it separate anyway. I don't know yet. Because I'm gonna just put it together because I ain't got no ending to the vlog, so I'm just gonna put it together. So anyway, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. You know, hit that post notification bell so y'all can stay tuned for whatever I'm doing, and hit up my socials. You know, Instagram, Joe Young Bull, Snapchat, freshman_24 with 2 H's, Twitter. Joe Young Bull _ it's gonna be in the description down below. But I just have to let y'all know. But anyway, let me know if y'all want to see more of us though. And I hope y'all enjoyed the vlog that I have for y'all today. Y'all gonna see it before y'all see this mukbang. So without further ado, we gonna go ahead and get up out of here. Gang.